Welcome to our channel RB Creators Media, where we provide tips and strategies to help you achieve unprecedented success in your business. In today's video, we are excited to share 5 content strategies that will revolutionize your marketing efforts and supercharge your business growth. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Strategy 1: Define your target audience. The first step towards growing your business is to define your target audience. By understanding who your ideal customers are, you can create content specifically tailored to meet their needs and preferences. Conduct market research, analyze your existing customer base, and build buyer personas to get a clear picture of who you should be targeting. This strategy will help you to create more engaging and impactful content. Understand your customers. Understand your customers' pain points, desires, and interests. What are their challenges? What solution can your business offer? This understanding will enable you to create content that addresses their specific needs, making your brand stand out in the crowd. Create buyer personas. Develop detailed buyer personas based on market research and data analysis. These personas represent your ideal customers, encompassing demographic information, interests, behaviors, and preferences. Use these personas as a reference, and craft content that resonates with them. Personalization is key to building strong connections with your audience. Strategy 2: Develop compelling blog posts. Blogging is a powerful content strategy that can skyrocket your business growth. Create high-quality, informative, and engaging blog posts that provide value to your target audience. Focus on relevant topics that align with your business expertise and address your customers' pain points. Incorporate SEO techniques to increase the visibility of your blog posts, attracting organic traffic and potential customers. Provide valuable information. Share valuable insights, tips, and industry expertise through your blog posts. Establish yourself as a thought leader in your niche by providing well-researched, reliable information. This not only builds trust with your audience but also enhances your brand's reputation. Incorporate SEO techniques. Optimize your blog posts for search engines by incorporating relevant keywords, writing compelling meta tags, and creating backlinks. This will improve your organic search rankings and drive more qualified traffic to your website. Strategy 3: Leverage social media. In today's digital world, social media is a goldmine for businesses. Engaging and connecting with your target audience on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn can significantly boost your business growth. Share valuable content, engage in conversations, run targeted ads, and leverage influencer marketing to expand your reach and attract more customers. Know your platforms. Understand the characteristics of each social media platform and choose the ones that align best with your business goals. For example, Instagram is great for visual storytelling, while LinkedIn is more professional-oriented. Tailor your content according to the platform to maximize its impact. Engage and interact. Don't just be a passive presence on social media, actively engage with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. Encourage conversations, share user-generated content, and show your customers that you value their opinions. Strategy 4: Embrace video marketing. Video marketing is a game changer when it comes to content strategy. Leveraging platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels can help you reach a wider audience and create a more engaging connection. From product demonstrations to behind-the-scenes footage, storytelling videos, and customer testimonials, the possibilities are endless. Tap into visual appeal. Humans are visual creatures, and videos appeal to our senses more effectively than any other form of content. Utilize captivating visuals, compelling scripts, and professional editing to create videos that grab attention and leave a lasting impression. Storytelling and authenticity. Tell your brand story through videos. Showcase your company's values, mission, and unique selling points. Authenticity goes a long way in building trust, so be genuine and relatable in your video content. Strategy 5: Measure and analyze results. To ensure the success of your content strategy, it is crucial to measure and analyze the results of your efforts. Utilize analytics tools to track key metrics such as website traffic, social media engagement, conversion rates, and customer feedback. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can optimize your content strategy for maximum impact and growth. Track key metrics. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and customer feedback surveys to gather data on the performance of your content. This will help you identify areas of improvement and make data-driven decisions for your future content efforts. Adapt and optimize. Based on the insights gathered, adapt your content strategy accordingly. Identify which platforms, topics, and formats resonate the most with your audience and focus on optimizing those aspects. Continuous improvement is the key to staying ahead of the competition. Congratulations! You have learned about 5 powerful content strategies to grow your business 10 times. Remember to define your target audience, create compelling blog posts, leverage social media, embrace video marketing, and measure your results. Start implementing these strategies today and witness the remarkable growth of your business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.